Mike from Monkey Fab, and I am today showing off my new wares, which is my signature series bung line for your bung hole. I have these guys. These are the old stuff we used to sell, and there's still a place for those, and we still sell those. But what I notice on most off-the-shelf designs is people just buy one round stock and then just drill them all with different holes in them, and I guess that's cool. It makes a uniform outside appearance, but I don't like it being too thick and I don't like it being too thin. I kind of like it in between, so I just designed my own where I varied the sizes of them, and I think they got a nice little register on the back, which these ones are kind of shallow. I'm not really overly excited about those ones, but we got these guys, and we also have a 1/4-20 standoff. So this guy is 1 inch tall. It's drilled 3/4 of an inch down and threaded a 1/2 inch down. So if you need to, you can still shave a little bit off of it to make it shorter if you needed to, but it's a pretty good working lug, and it's a blind hole, so we just weld it on. Don't worry about what it's going on to or what's tapping in there. You know it's going to be sealed off from side to side. And you'll notice on these guys, you'll notice my 3/8, it's kind of deep in there, right? Well, that's because what I did is I tapped one a little on the deep side and said make 3/8 a little on the deep side, so that way when you go to put your, it's hard to do with one hand. It's hard to do one-handed if you're going to pull it off. When you go to put your GM style air intake temperature sensor in there, it's going to sit perfectly out there in your airstream. So that's another benefit to these guys. Same price, those ones and those ones, because that's how we do it at Monkey Fab for you guys. And thanks for stopping by, checking out the channel.